Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. Did you know that the athlete frequently face stress and pressure during competition? To overcome these challenges, they need effective coping strategies. For this assignment, our group selected Imagery as a coping strategist to help athletes control pressure and their anxiety.
Okay, now I want to explain what are coping strategies. Coping strategy are technique or method used by athletes to manage stress, anxiety, pressure, and challenge encountered in sports. This strategy helps athletes maintain emotional control, stay focused, and perform at their best during training and competition. Okay, next, why do athletes need coping strategies? Athletes often face different sources of stress, such as pressure to win, expectation from coach and family member, fear of failure, and intense competition. If these stress are not managed effectively, they can negatively affect confidence, concentration, and overall performance. Therefore, coping strategies are important because they help athletes handle stressful situations and maintain optimal performance. How many types of coping strategies? There are several types of physiological skill training commonly used in sport, including deep breathing, jaw control, imagery, self-talk, meditation, and autogenic control. These techniques serve different purposes depending on the athlete needs and the situation they face. Okay, for this assignment, we have selected Imagery as the most effective coping strategy. Imagery is a mental technique where athletes create video image in their mind of performing successfully in a sporting situation. Through imagery, athletes mentally rehearse skill, strategy, and successful performance before actually performing them. We choose imagery because it is highly effective in improving confidence, concentration, motivation, and emotional control while reducing anxiety before competition. Okay, next, when should athletes use this strategy? Athletes should use imagery firstly before competition to increase confidence. Number 2, when approaching stress or anxiety. Next, during recovery from injuries. After that, before performing important skill or movement during training season to improve performance. And then the last one is when preparing mentally for a challenging competition.
What is imagery? Imagery is a psychological technique that involves creating or recreating experience in the mind using different senses such as sight, sound, touch, and emotion. Athletes imagine themselves performing successfully in a competition or executing a specific skill perfectly. For example, a netball player may visualize scoring a goal successfully before entering the court. Next, in what situation is it best to implement imagery? Imagery is more effective in situations such as the first one before an important competition, second one when an athlete feels nervous or anxious, third one when confidence levels are low, fourth one during skill learning and practice, 5 during injury rehabilitation, lastly before performing a crucial movement or action in a game. Okay, now we have 7 steps how to implement imagery. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place without distraction. Step 2. Sit or lie down and in a relaxed position. Step 3. Close your eyes and take slow deep breath. Step 4. Imagine yourself at the competition venue. Step 5. Visualize yourself performing the skill successfully with perfect technique. Step 6. Use all your senses by imagining what you see, hear, feel, and experience during the performance. Step 7. Repeat the imagery session for about 5 to 10 minutes regularly.
We go to the explain in detail about the technique. The imagery works by creating mental experience that closely resemble real-life situations. When athletes repeatedly visualize successful performance. The brain becomes more familiar with the movements and also situation involved. This mental rehearsal strengthens confidence and prepare athletes for actual competition. For example, a netball player can imagine receiving the ball, aiming at the ring, and also successfully scoring a goal. By repeatedly visualizing successful outcomes, the athlete develops greater confidence and remains calm under pressure. Research in sports psychology has shown that imagery can improve concentration, confidence, motivation, emotional control, and also overall athletic performance. It is also useful for reducing competitive anxiety and helping athlete cope and stressful situations.
Hi, may I know your full name? My full name is Faisha Najwa binti Sofian Shah. What sport do you play and how long that you have been playing? I play netball and I've played for like 2018 until now.
So Farisha, what kind of mental or emotional challenge do you usually face during competition?
Okay, so during competition, I always feel a motivation issue where I feel unmotivated and also emotional drain before the competition.
How do you usually feel before or during a big competition?
I always feel nervous and also stress and anxiety.
What do you normally do to stay calm or focused before competition?
I usually do imaginary technique.
Aduh, coach.
Hush. Farisha, why you play like that?
I think I can shoot properly. I'm so nervous, coach. I'm sorry.
I think you need to meet the psychology first to improve your skill.
Okay, now Farisha, you sit comfortably and close your eyes first. The second step, you take a slow, deep breath and relax your body first. And the third one, you imagine yourself entering the competition venue. And then the fourth one is visualize yourself feeling calm, focused, and confident. Step 5. Imagine performing your sport skill perfectly. And the next one is visualize achieving your goal or winning the competition. And then maintain the mental image for several minutes. And the last one, slowly open your eyes and return your focus to the present moment.
So Farisha, how do you feel after imagery technique?
I feel more calmer and focused and also motivated to my competition.
Okay, thank you Farisha.
Welcome.
Coping strategies help athletes reduce their stress levels. Yes, because coping strategies such as imagery can help athletes reduce stress and anxiety, improving emotional control, confidence, and focus. As a result, athletes are better prepared to face challenging situations during competitions. Consistent application and practice are essential because the effectiveness of imagery depends on regular use. The more frequently athletes practice imagery, the more beneficial it becomes for their preparation and performance. We strongly recommend athletes to use imagery into their daily training routines. Imagery is simple, cost-effective, and can be practiced anywhere. With regular practice, imagery can help athletes manage stress, improve concentration, enhance self-confidence, and ultimately achieve better sporting performance. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.